Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So Sweet testnet is finally out. Now we have to remember what happened to Aptos. When Aptos came out, they did exactly something similar like this, and they gave people airdrops that's literally worth thousands of dollars. Now Sui is actually on the same path right now. They are on their testnet, and for you to be eligible to get the airdrop, you have to partake on the testnet. Okay, so I want to show us step by step on how to do the testnet, and then wait for the airdrop. Although there's no confirmation that they are going to give airdrop, but I know that they are going to give airdrop. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to create your Sui wallet. Now this is my own. I just created my own. I'll drop the link to create this wallet in the description box. Only the description box, guys, not the comment box, the description box. Okay, the link will be there. So I can actually copy this link and then let's copy it and go to another tab. What to do is to, when you see the link, copy it and then you have to have a Chrome, you need to have Chrome in your phone, and then have Kiwi extension or Brave browser, any of them. Then copy this link, paste it on your Kiwi browser or your Brave browser, and then paste, search it. Now make use of the first this one. It says Sui Wallet Chrome extension. So you tap on it and then create your wallet. When you're done creating your wallet, copy out your seed phrase. It is peculiar to you alone. So when you are done, this page will pop up. Okay, so as you can see, we have 0 Sui. So we are going to get some faucets. Okay, we are going to get some Sui so we can partake on the testnet. So what do? You copy, you click on the copy icon here. See the copy icon, just copy. Then you will need to also have a Discord account, and you must have followed Sui on Discord. I will drop the link to their Discord in the description box again, so that you just tap on the link and join them on Discord. Okay, so that you can be able to drop this link that we have, this address we have copied. You can be able to drop it right there, so you can be able to receive the faucet for the testnet. Okay, so when you have copied, the next thing you come to the Sui Discord account. You tap, when you have already joined, I will drop the link in the box. When you have joined, you tap on that place. Okay, when you tap there, type right here, then look for, go down, you see testnet faucet right here, tap on it. So you can, as you can see, people are actually dropping their own. So I will drop my own as well. I don't know how long it will take for them to give me, but I also do what other people are doing. Type I put faucet, FOU, and then give a space and drop your address. So send. So our own have entered. So let me pause this video and wait until you can repeat this over and over and over. Okay, if you have not gotten, you can repeat it again. Faucet space and then your receiving address. Okay, they say I have 1 hour. You can only drop oh, you see the timer there, guys. So if you do it once, you wait. See, you saw the timer there. I will stay up to an hour. You see it right here. I will stay up to 2 hours before I can send a message here again. So let's go and see if they have sent to us. Okay, right there, guys, they have sent us 0.1 Sui. So right now we need to manage this 0.1 Sui very well. We need to manage it so well. Okay, so what do we do next with the system? Okay, So we have to, the first thing we do is to stake. Okay, they say, you see this icon where they say stake and earn sway. Okay, but before you do this, guys, make sure, remember we have only 0.1. Now make sure that you come to this place right here. See that line? Come to that place. Make sure this network, click on network, and make sure it's on Sweet testnet. Okay, it has to be on Sweet testnet. So when you have done that, remember we have only 0.1, so we have to manage it very well because we need more of these testnet tokens. Okay, so you click on stake and earn sway. Now let's look for a validator. Let me choose POPS, this one. You tap on him. Fine. You click on stake sway. Okay, stake sway. Click on sway wallet. This is for people that are using mobile. If you're using PC, the background will not be like this. So we now minimize and go back to this page right here. Now you see it says select amount. Now they say enter the amount of sway you want to stake. You tap right here. Now you say, let's say 0.01. Remember we have only 0.1, so we'll manage it. Click on stake now. Okay, staking. Let me pause and wait for it to stake. Okay, it's successful, guys. So we've staked 0.01 sway. Okay, so you can easily tick on the yes, that's it, guys. So you can come back to coins, click on coins to come back to the home page. Okay, so we can also play around with the system. We can come to NFTs. Okay, right now I have no NFTs. Apps, you can come to apps. You can see cap staked sway. You can stay on stake if you want. So just play around with the testnet. More features are also coming out. Okay, you can come to NFTs, come to apps, play around with this system. Just tap it. Remember, this is just a test net. Okay, it's not real, so you can play around with the system. Okay, just play around with the system. When the NFT section comes, you can mint an NFT. Okay, but I don't think it's out yet. This is where you can mint an NFT. So it's not loading, so that means there's no NFT. Oh, so I actually minted. Okay, so if you click right here on mint an NFT, when you come to NFTs, you actually see it right here. So these are the things you do, guys. So for now, just do this one for now and stand the chance to get the airdrops. Okay, thank you, guys, and have a wonderful day. Remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. Okay, also join our communities. Thank you, guys, and have a wonderful day.